Now, strike a pose. Everybody stand up for 1 second. I want you to show me when you've got to make your point, what's the position you take to feel powerful? I'm just curious. What's your power pose? Okay. Well, that's good. Okay. Okay, now sit down. Wait, what did I miss here? Like you flipped it off. Oh my God. Come up here. Yep, come on.
Come on. No, thank you. It was all you.
She has a power pose similar, but it also involves 2 middle digits. That's a good one. I want to talk to you a little about your body language and the ways you make your cases. 1, you always want to make yourself bigger, okay? So Wonder Woman doesn't stand around like this. She stands like that. Oh, there's power there, right? There's the CEO pose. We've seen Oprah do that, and we've seen men do that. Do you do that? Okay, these are poses that work, okay? If you're going to close the deal, I love that show, Damages. It was on years ago, Glenn Close. But look at, is that a power pose? You can tell exactly what she wants and exactly what she's saying. And we have to understand that how we position ourselves influences how others are perceiving us. So when you look and feel powerful, others give you more power. Okay. Know your power. Know your power. And stop talking like a wimp, for God's sakes. Do you even know you're talking like a wimp? We all do it, but we have to be sure that we are not exposing insecurities or flaws, because men don't do these things, okay? How often have you heard us saying these things? Okay, bear with me, I'm a little nervous, or I'm not great with numbers. You know that women use wimpy language 4 times more than men do it. Yeah, they do. I think we should blah, blah, blah. I hope we blah, blah, blah. I feel like we should, okay? Every time you put that qualifier in front of what you're saying, it dilutes what you're saying. Instead of, I think we should go in this direction and make the investment, is that powerful, or is we should go in this direction and finally make that investment? Get rid of the qualifiers because they make you weak. I'm no expert, but why would you say something like that? You know I'm not the best person to say this, but correct me if I'm wrong, right? That is making us weak. So you want to use declarative sentences instead of questions. Take the time you need to talk, and don't wait to be called on if the guys aren't waiting to be called on, right? If they're just speaking up, speak up.